Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Liza Ngosi. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, boo boo. So today I'm going to be unboxing a package from Takealot. So since I love YouTube, I decided to buy some few equipment for YouTube. Yeah, for especially when I'm filming my videos, because I need some few equipment. Okay, so I'm like, let me add into that. So let's get into the unboxing. I'm ready. Are you guys ready? So I decided to just buy a tripod, a camera stand, because the only stand that I have is the one that is for the ring light. And then I also decided to buy a microphone. I'm not buying it for the camera because the camera can like do good when it comes to audio and everything, but I was just like, let me buy it for my phone, because if I'm trying to film with my phone, it's just not good. The audio is just bad. So I was like, let me buy it for the phone. Or maybe when I have a laptop, I want to screen record using a laptop, I know I have my own microphone to receive the audio or catch up with the audio while I'm doing my videos. Okay. This is the box. Hey, when it comes to packaging, Takealot never disappoint. They never disappoint. Yo guys, here, let's start with the microphone. So this is the little microphone that I bought from Takealot. Yeah, you can plug it on your phone, your laptop, your camera, everything that you have. Okay, so for me, I'm just buying it for my phone because I need that audio for my phone. It looks cute. And then it has the whatever you call. Let's just try it. Let's try it, guys. I don't want to make this video to be long. So here it has a clip where you can just clip it on yourself. So you can just go by clipping it here. What I like about this microphone is that like it's very long. It's very long. So let's get to the tripod. The tripod is kind of disappointing because it looks a bit short, you know, out the way you didn't expect them to be. Okay. So, hey. Okay, I think this one, it's when you want to use your phone, and then you can just connect it to the stand, and then you can put your cell phone here. I'm gonna show you. Hey, hey, huh? Yo, hi, Takealot. Okay. Okay. Wait, I think you can extend it here. Oh my gosh, I think I should untangle. Okay, great. Yo, so this is the end of this. Then let's see the second one. Yo, will this thing like match up with the thingy, with the tripod of the ring lights? If you all have seen my unboxing of the ring lights, you just see how long my ring light is. So this is just, I don't know, it looks it looks short. It looks shorter. What's happening? Oh, 1 2 3. So you can extend it to 1, 2, 3, not just 1, 2. Okay, so where do I have to extend more? Here. Great. And then I can fasten it back. So yeah, and then great. And then where's the other part? And then you can just fasten it here, and then you pull, and then that's how long it is. Okay, great. This is it. Yeah. Okay, these people. And then yeah, it's just like this empty. Yeah, Takealot. You never cease to amaze me. Okay, I'm fastening here and I don't know what am I doing. Oh, okay. How? Just like that. Okay. So if you look at it, this is how it is. You know, it has like maybe 1, 2, 3, and then it has this part, and then it has this part. I don't know what is this supposed to do or what's happening, but from the way I see it, okay, you can even fasten this thing. How low do you want it? Okay, let's just keep it this way. Yeah, great. So okay. Oh, this thing is so loose. What I noticed is that I think this is where you put your camera or your phone, right? But it's a bit short. It's really a bit short. Let me try to see if I can push it up. So this is the thing that you would use to connect your phone. So from the way it is, it has a hole here. So I'm assuming that like the hole, you attach it here. This is where you attach the hole. And then, so this is my mobile phone, and then you can put it here. And this is adjustable. It's adjustable. You can adjust it. Oh my gosh, it's so hard. You can use it for your cell phone. You don't have, if like you kind of feel like the stand or whatever you use. This came with the ring light when I bought the ring light. So for me it's just not working, because most of the time I would want my phone to be positioned this way. So it's really a huge struggle. So if you want to have a camera stand while you're using your phone to do your videos, I would advise that you buy this. It's very cheap. 109 rand is very cheap. So you get what you have paid for. That's what I can tell you. So yeah, I'm loving this. I am loving it. So if you just want to buy this ring light, I will put the link down in the description box below. I know it may be out of stock by the moment you see this video, but just to make sure you put all the ring lights that are available on your cards from Takealot. I'm sure by the time you want to buy it, it will be on sale again, but at the moment they are running a huge sale. So I bought this for 109 rand, and then the microphone, oh my gosh, that gave me a heart attack. So I have to fasten this. How do I fasten it? Because if it's gonna move this like this, oh my gosh, this is a mess, guys. But I have to fasten it. Yo, even this thing, it's weak, guys. I don't know how to do this thing, but the moment I know how to do it, you'll see me with good quality videos on my channel. So it'll have shown that like I got the hang of it, or I know how to use it and everything. Okay guys, let's just end this video here. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to buy your ring light, or I mean your camera tripod and your microphone, you can check them out on Takealot. I would really recommend them, because they are things that are affordable. If you know that like you don't have too much money to be buying expensive things, just make sure you check on Takealot. Okay, and please don't forget to leave me a like and a comment, and a subscription is free of charge if you subscribe to this channel. So yeah, bye you all.